welcome back to Nurse Catherine here. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Today I will be discussing with you anatomy of your stethoscope. In this video I will give you the short and sweet what you need to know about your stethoscope, the parts of your stethoscope, and what they are used for. So let's get started. I will be showing you the stethoscope that I have used in all 3 years so far. That has never failed on me, and I will continue to use it. So let's start at the top of your stethoscope. Grab yours out, go along with me. So these are your earpieces. You can see that they are pointed inward. So when you put your stethoscope in, you want to make sure that those pieces are going towards your eyeballs. You don't want it going backwards. That's not how they fit in. Next, you have your headset piece right here. That is your next part. These are your ear tubes. This is your tubing of your stethoscope. The stem is down here of where the chest piece, this is your chest piece, and the tubing attached, that's the stem. This is your bell, which is the little side of your stethoscope, and this is your diaphragm, which is the big side of your stethoscope. Now, your bell and your diaphragm can be used for two different things, so let's go into that. The small side of your stethoscope, the bell of your stethoscope. What is that used for? So the bell of your stethoscope is used to detect more low-pitched sounds like heart murmurs. Some bowel sounds can be detected by using the bell of your stethoscope. It is said that you always want to listen with the diaphragm first and then listen with the bell. Now let's go into the diaphragm, the big side of your stethoscope. And it is that not all stethoscopes have a bell, so it's not as important to listen with that side. It's most important to listen with the diaphragm of your stethoscope. So what is it used for? So the diaphragm of your stethoscope is used to listen to high-pitched sounds, like your lung sounds, most of your abdominal sounds, your cardiac sounds as well. And just a quick tip, remember never to hold your stethoscope with all of your fingers. You want to take your 2 fingers and put it here and then place it on the chest or the back or the abdomen, wherever you may be listening. So guys, that is it. That is your basic anatomy of your stethoscope and what each piece is made for. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. You know the drill. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Nurse Catherine here, as I have some giveaways coming up. Whoop whoop. And I also have an email that you can email any questions to me, and that's nursecatherine@gmail.com. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.